Hello, Ma'am, Sir. I'm Catherine Miss Chola, 46 years old from Philippines, a mother of 4 children. My working experience as domestic helper are Abu Dhabi with 1 couple and 6 children finished contract. Saudi Arabia with 1 couple, 4 children finished contract. Hong Kong with 1 couple, 1 grandmother and 2 children finished contract. And currently here in Hong Kong with 1 couple, 2 children soon to finish my contract. My duties and responsibilities being a domestic helper are taking care of the children, preparing foods, ironing, cleaning, laundry, and marketing. I am a trustworthy, kind, lovable, and I treat your children as my own child. To my prospective employer, I assure you that I will finish my contract to you too. And I thank you. God bless. Inshallah.